Our understanding of the cosmos has never been fixed. It has shifted, fractured, and reformed with every generation of discovery, evolving alongside the tools and ideas that shape human curiosity. What once seemed certain often dissolves under the weight of new evidence, replaced by deeper and more complex truths. The history of astronomy is not a straight path toward knowledge, but a continuous process of revision, a long unfolding narrative written across centuries of observation. In the early 20th century, astronomers began to grasp the true scale of the universe. During the 1920s, estimates suggested the cosmos might be only a few billion years old. At the time, this idea itself was revolutionary, expanding humanity's sense of reality far beyond earlier limits. But modern measurements have transformed that picture. Today, with advanced observatories and precise cosmological data, scientists estimate the age of the universe at about 13.8 billion years. This change is more than a correction of numbers. It is a reminder that even our most confident conclusions are temporary, always subject to refinement as new evidence appears. Even within our own galaxy, the Milky Way, mysteries continue to challenge established models. Observations of stars in its outer regions reveal motions that do not fully align with expectations. Some stars move in ways that cannot be explained by visible matter alone, while others behave in ways that suggest missing influences. These inconsistencies point toward a deeper issue. Our understanding of galactic structure remains incomplete. Modern stellar mapping projects have intensified this mystery further. By tracking the positions and movements of nearly 2 billion stars with extraordinary precision, astronomers have uncovered patterns that challenge long-held assumptions. Some analyses even suggest that our galaxy may be less massive than previously believed, though this remains under investigation. If confirmed, such findings would force a rethinking of how unseen matter shapes galaxies and how gravity operates on cosmic scales. Understanding stellar motion is not a finished task. It is an ongoing investigation, continuously refined by each new dataset. Every measurement adds clarity, but also reveals new layers of complexity. The more precisely we observe the universe, the more intricate its structure becomes. Beyond our galaxy, the view expands into deeper time. Modern observatories allow us to see galaxies that formed only a few hundred million years after the beginning of the universe. These ancient systems offer a glimpse into the first structures emerging from cosmic darkness. In effect, we are not only observing space, we are looking back into time itself. At the same time, the discovery of planets orbiting distant stars has reshaped our understanding of planetary systems. Thousands of exoplanets have now been identified, many existing in conditions once thought impossible. Some orbit extremely close to their stars, while others drift in cold, distant regions unlike anything in our solar system. Among these worlds are planets with atmospheres containing complex molecules such as water vapor, clouds, and chemical compounds that suggest active atmospheric processes. Although most are not suitable for life as we know it, their existence reveals something profound. Planetary diversity is far greater than once imagined. This leads to a powerful question. If planets are so common and so diverse, could life also be widespread? And if it exists elsewhere, what forms might it take? As these questions deepen, scientific inquiry begins to enter more speculative territory. Some theories propose that our universe may not be the only one. The idea of a multiverse suggests the existence of countless other universes, each potentially governed by different physical laws. In parallel, interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that multiple outcomes of events may exist in separate branches of reality. Although these ideas remain unproven, they challenge the boundaries of what we consider observable and real. Another large-scale mystery emerges in the motion of galaxy clusters. certain groups of galaxies appear to move in coordinated directions that cannot be fully explained by known forces. This raises the possibility of influences beyond the observable universe, hinting at structures or dynamics we have yet to understand. Despite all these unknowns, one conclusion has become increasingly clear. The majority of the universe is invisible. Ordinary matter, the stars, planets, and galaxies we can see, represents only a small fraction of cosmic content. The rest is made of unseen components that do not emit light but exert powerful gravitational and energetic effects. One of these components shapes the formation of galaxies, holding them together through invisible structure. Another drives the accelerating expansion of space itself, stretching the universe on the largest scales. Together, they dominate cosmic evolution while remaining largely mysterious. Understanding these unseen forces may one day transform physics at its core, redefining gravity, space, and perhaps even time itself. But for now, they remain among the deepest open questions in science. Among the many intriguing discoveries in modern astronomy is an ancient star located relatively close to our cosmic neighborhood. Its estimated age, at one point, appeared to challenge the age of the universe itself, creating a paradox that forced scientists to re-examine their measurement methods. Later refinements resolved much of this tension, but uncertainties in stellar dating still remain. Determining the age of a star is a complex process. Astronomers analyze brightness, composition, and internal behavior, comparing them to models of stellar evolution. Over time, stars change in predictable ways, allowing estimates of their lifespans. Yet extreme cases reveal how fragile these estimates can be when approaching cosmic limits. To better understand time on a cosmic scale, scientists use a conceptual model known as the cosmic calendar. In this model, the entire history of the universe is compressed into a single year. The Big Bang occurs at the first moment of January, Earth forms near the end of December, and human history occupies only the final seconds before midnight. This perspective highlights just how brief our presence is compared to cosmic time. Measurements of the universe's age rely heavily on observations of distant galaxies and the stretching of light as space expands. These measurements consistently support the current estimate of cosmic age, yet scientific exploration continues to test its boundaries. Some alternative ideas propose that the universe may be older than currently believed, suggesting modifications to how light behaves across vast distances or how physical constants evolve over time. While not widely accepted, such hypotheses reflect a core principle of science. No model is beyond questioning. When anomalies appear, they are not ignored. They are investigated, tested, and debated. This process is what drives scientific progress forward, even when it introduces uncertainty. The deeper we observe the universe, the less simple it becomes. Galaxies appear more mature than expected at early cosmic times, challenging assumptions about how structure forms. This raises a fundamental question: is our model of cosmic evolution incomplete? Perhaps the early universe was not slow and gradual, but instead a period of rapid transformation. A time when stars ignited quickly, galaxies assembled faster than expected, and complexity emerged far earlier than predicted. If so, then cosmic history may require significant revision. This realization leads to a profound shift in perspective. The universe is not a simple, predictable system governed by fixed rules. It is a dynamic, evolving structure shaped by hidden forces and complex interactions that are still being uncovered. From unseen matter shaping galaxies to mysterious energy stretching space, from ancient stars challenging timelines, to distant planets hinting at possible life, each discovery expands the frontier of knowledge. And yet, with every step forward, the horizon of mystery expands even further. The universe is not merely something we observe. It is something we are still learning to understand, layer by layer, signal by signal, photon by photon. Every beam of light carries information from a distant past, a fragment of a story still unfolding across billions of years. Perhaps the most humbling truth is this. No matter how far we look or how much we learn, the cosmos remains larger, older, and more complex than anything we can fully comprehend. And it is precisely this endless mystery that continues to drive the search for understanding.